Welcome to MyProjectBazaar.com. It is our project title, a collaborative DDoS defense framework using network function virtualization. Let's see our project abstract. In our present, avoid a user waiting time after request a particular time. So automatically allocate a server. The emerging of network function virtualization technology introduce a new opportunity to decrease the amount of proprietary hardware that is need to launch and operate a network service. In this paper, we propose a DDoS defense mechanism named CoFence with facility a domain health domain collaboration network among NFV based domain network. CoFence allows domain networks to help each other in handling a large volume of DDoS attacks through the resource sharing. Especially, we design a dynamic resource allocation mechanism domains for so that the resource allocation is fair, efficient, and interface compatible. There are two major types of attacks: traffic IP spoofing attack and real source IP based attack. The real source IP based DDoS attack commonly utilize the compromised node in the internet called zombies to launch an attack. It helped each other in handling of large volume of DDoS attacks through the resource sharing and efficiency. We design a dynamic resource allocation mechanism for domains so that the resource allocation is fair, efficient, and insufficient compatible. Let's see our project data flow diagram. In our process, there are two models, admin and client. Now we see one by one. So now see that admin process. Admin initially login with these are your own credential. If you enter wrong password, when cannot move the forward. Now initially load a link data. The admin initially after login, admin initially upload a URL link data into our system. This data contains a searching domain websites URL links. Then after load a URL data, admin must generate an IP address from relevant domain website links. For example, www.google.com means it is a 139.130.4.5. That's a relevant IP address. After that, have to create a NFV server creation. NFV means network functionality virtualization. So that so the these technologies IT virtualization to virtualize the entire classes of network node function into building blocks that may connect to a chain together to create a communication service. NFV relies up to but differ from a traditional search server virtualization technique such those used to enterprise and IT. A virtualization is network function is VNF may consist of more than different from service system. After the creating a NFV server, you must allocate a particular server into our process. After that, I have to create a node NFV node. The node is mainly designed for passing a domain details into subdomains. It leads to the user requesting time consumption is low. So that the reason we creating a node creation. After that, how to create a networking unwanted attack may be happen and any kind of situation when damage a user request as well as user requested file information. Admin only view a monitor and attack shows what are the attacks happen, how many attacks contain after the admin provide a response after the IP address and such link. So after that, we create a firewall for particular attacked IP address. So firewall is typically established a barrier of between trusted and secure internet network another outside network, such the internet that assume not secure trusted firewall are often categorized as either network firewalls and host-based firewalls. I travel between two more networks. They are either two software applications running the general purpose hardware or hardware based firewall computer. After search the same URL link. We can see the client process. If existing client directly login with us or here username, password, as well as my IP address. Otherwise, a new client initially registered then access our system. After that login, client search a particular URL link in search area. Initially show a server problem exception. This information sent to admin. Admin provide a response to user who are requested a particular link. After get a response from admin, then user put a same URL in search area when client can appropriate a web page through our system. Let's see our project demo. This is the home form of our project. In the right side top, right bottom, you can see the our next link. If we click this, when open here, client login form. If existing client directly login with his or her username, password, and his own IP address. Otherwise, the new user initially create an account with his personal details and also network details, IP address, and port number. Here, user must enter profile photo, username, password, and his own IP address, port number, gender type, email ID, mobile number, and address. Finally, click a register button. Then register successfully message will be shown. I do some example. You can type IP address here. Otherwise, click this get IP address. It automatically generated this own IP address here. So user can type, and here enter a port number, and gender type is male, female, or anything. So finally click register button and see the client register successful message. Now user can log in with username, password, and IP address. After that you click now user can log in. So initially here user enter some URL ID, search here. Now this is the not in our system. So here we can see the you are searching URL not here, contact admin. So only enter a existing URL only. Now here enter a facebook.com. If you click register, now you can see the not found response, not server problem. So admin only allow to user search a particular website. So now we can see the admin process. Admin have here unique credential. We enter wrong means so invalid login here. So admin also enter a correct username, password, and secret key here. So after that login, admin upload his URL address and then generate a IP address for particular URL. We click generate IP and see the URL IP address generate successful message. After that, we can view the URL address with IP address specifically. So after that, admin create a server. After that, we see the NFV network virtualization created successfully message. After that, have to mention the server level. Server level is server 1 is low, server 2 is medium, server 3 is medium size and very high. After that, we click this server allocation button. When server allocation successful message will be shown. After that, you have to create a node here. The node is shared a URL into other user who generate a node here. Now you can see the node created a successful message. After that, we click this right side bottom corner. User can see the is that user request. After that we have to create a view attack page. So what are the attacks is mentioned here, the total malware count and total malware list. After that have to finally you have to create a firewall for particular IP with particular URL. So starting process here. So firewall created successfully message will be shown. Now user can search the particular URL. Now the same user can search here already inserted. Now user can getting access. After getting access from admin, then open a particular URL here. Thank you for watching our video.